What is machine learning's simple explanation anyone can understand? Imagine this. You open your phone, scroll through videos, and suddenly every single video feels like it was made just for you. Or you search for a product online, and the next thing you know, ads for that exact item follow you everywhere. Coincidence? Not at all. That's machine learning quietly working behind the scenes. But here's the real question. What exactly is machine learning? How do machines actually learn? And why is it becoming one of the most powerful technologies in the world today? In this video, I'll break it down in the simplest way possible. No complicated jargon, no confusing math, just clear, real-world explanations. And by the end, you'll understand machine learning better than most people. Let's get into it. What is machine learning? Let's start simple. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence, where computers learn from data instead of being directly programmed. Now that might sound confusing, so let's simplify it. Normally, if you want a computer to do something, you give it exact instructions. For example, if this happens, do that. If the number is bigger, choose this. If the condition is met, respond like this. That's traditional programming. But machine learning flips that idea. Instead of giving the computer rules, you give it data, and it figures out the rules by itself. Think of it like teaching a child. You don't sit down and explain every single rule of life step by step. Instead, the child learns by seeing examples, making mistakes, improving over time. That's exactly how machine learning works. How machine learning works. Let's break the process down into 3 simple steps. 1. Data collection. First, the machine needs data. This could be images, videos, text, numbers, user behavior. The more data it has, the better it learns. 2. Training. Next, the system studies the data. It looks for patterns. For example, what makes a cat look like a cat? What words usually appear in spam emails? What kind of videos do people watch the longest? The system tries to connect the dots. 3. Prediction. Finally, it uses what it learned to make decisions. For example, predict what you'll watch next. Identify if an email is spam. Recognize your face on your phone. And here's the key part. The more it practices, the better it gets. Real-life examples. Machine learning is everywhere, even if you don't notice it. Let's look at some everyday examples. 1. Social media algorithms. When you use apps like TikTok or Instagram, machine learning tracks what you watch, what you like, how long you stay. Then it shows you more of what you enjoy. That's why your feed feels so personalized. 2. Online shopping. Ever noticed how websites recommend products? That item you might like. That's machine learning analyzing your past searches, your clicks, your purchases. 3. Voice assistants. When you talk to your phone, it understands you using machine learning. It learns your voice, your accent, your speech patterns. 4. Self-driving cars. Cars can now detect objects, recognize roads, make driving decisions. All thanks to machine learning. 5. Spam filters. Your email automatically filters spam. How? It learned from millions of emails what spam looks like. Types of machine learning. Now let's simplify the main types of machine learning. 1. Supervised learning. This is like learning with a teacher. The system is given questions and correct answers. Example: show it pictures of cats labeled cat, show it dogs labeled dog. Over time, it learns the difference. 2. Unsupervised learning. Here, there are no labels. The system tries to find patterns on its own. Example: grouping similar customers together, finding hidden patterns in data. 3. Reinforcement learning. This is learning by trial and error. Like playing a game. The system tries something, gets rewarded or punished, learns what works best. This is used in gaming, AI, robotics, self-driving cars. 5. Why machine learning is so powerful. So why is everyone talking about machine learning? Because it can do things humans simply can't do fast enough. Think about this. A human might take hours to analyze thousands of data points. A machine can do it in seconds. It can detect patterns we miss, make faster decisions, improve automatically over time. And it never gets tired. Limitations and risks. But it's not perfect. Machine learning has challenges. Bias. If the data is biased, the results will also be biased. Data dependency. No data equals no learning. Lack of understanding. Machines don't really understand things. They just recognize patterns. The future. Machine learning is shaping the future. It's already transforming healthcare, finance, education, transportation. In the future, it could diagnose diseases faster, automate jobs, personalize everything. The world is moving towards smarter systems. So now you know, machine learning isn't magic. It's simply learning from data, finding patterns, making smarter decisions. And the crazy part? You're interacting with it every single day. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, comment what you want to learn next, and subscribe for more simple tech breakdowns. Because in a world driven by technology, understanding it gives you an advantage. And trust me, this is just the beginning.